Having known what alkenes are, we said alkenes are the what? Are the unsaturated hydrocarbon with the what? The carbon-carbon double bond, right? They are unsaturated. They're the ones with the carbon-carbon double bond, and then they are what? They have a general formula of what? CnH2n. We talked about this for the alkene, right? And then we talked about their homologues, the children of the alkenes. Talk about the ethene, the propane, the butene, the pentene, the hexene, the heptene, so on and so forth. But there's something important I want us to understand. Now write this down. The unsaturated hydrocarbons, which are the alkenes, this is very important. These unsaturated alkenes, they are isomeric with the saturated cycloalkanes. They are isomeric with the saturated cycloalkanes. Please note this. Now what does this mean? What does this statement, what does it really mean? What isomeric means, isomerism is, it means that this guy, they have the same molecular formula with cycloalkanes. That is, the formula is CnH2n. They share the same formula, right? So if you take the butene for instance, let's look at the butene for instance. We said that the butene is C double bond C and C, right? And we say this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this one is hydrogen. This is the structural formula for the butene, right? Yeah, and we say it is C4H8, right? If we compare this side by side to the cyclobutane, right? Cycloalkanes, please. If you watch, this guy is the alkene. I said that these guys, they are alkenes. The alkene is isomeric to the what? The saturated cycloalkane, right? So this is the butene for instance. We are trying to use an instance. The butene is the same formula with the cycloalkane. This is the cyclobutane, right? Why is it cyclo? We talked about this because they are forming a ring form. This is hydrogen, hydrogen. This is also hydrogen. This is the hydrogen. This is the hydrogen. This is hydrogen. This one is hydrogen, and this one. So each carbon carries four hydrogen bond, right? If you calculate it, you discover that this one also has 4 carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, making it C4, and the hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, H8. You see that both of them have the same molecular formula. Both of them, they have the same molecular formula. So we can say that the cycloalkanes are what? They are isomers of their corresponding alkenes, right? Cycloalkane, this is cyclobutane. This here is cyclobutane, right? And this guy is butene, right? They are isomers. It means that both of them have the same molecular formula. Let's look at one more example to explain this, right? To solidify our understanding on this. Let's assume, let's take propane for instance. Now let's look at propane for instance. This is our propane, right? Propane will be isomeric, right, with what? Cyclopropane, right? This one is isomeric to cyclopropane. So propane is C double bond C. This carbon has 4 hydrogen. This guy is bonded with 4 hydrogen already, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this guy has hydrogen, right? And we'll say the general formula is C3H6. We talked about all of this before. So it is isomeric. This guy is isomeric. It's what? Geometric isomeric to the cyclopropane. This is C, this is C, and this guy is C. So this carbon has 4 hydrogen. This is hydrogen here, and there is an hydrogen here. This carbon has 4 hydrogen. There is an hydrogen. This carbon also have 4 hydrogen. So if you watch, it's C3 here. How many hydrogen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it is H6. So all cycloalkane is an isomer of their corresponding alkenes, right? All cycloalkanes. Right? So what does that mean? The propene is isomeric to cyclopropane. They have the same molecular formula. Also the butene, right, is isomeric to cyclobutane, right, so on and so forth. So it's something I want us to understand. Look at this concept very well and add it to your knowledge of how the alkene works. Right? So in our next class we'll be looking at the homologous series of the alkyne, right? I'll be naming the homologs of the alkyne. And this is your first time of joining our channel, as well, like, share the video, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.